You will be responsible for putting in your course requests in PowerSchool or PowerParent. When you get to the class registration form, you'll see this here, this 2627, and make sure that it's the course for your class. So the sophomores will be for the class of 2028. There is a Schoology page that has all of the resources, so make sure you go through that, as well as the program of studies is linked here. So you will be choosing a maximum of 14 credits. So we're going to go ahead. 7 periods should be reflected in your requests each semester. Make sure that you utilize your course selection form. So now study halls are 0 credits, but they do take up 1 period, and Area 31 programs take up 3 class periods. So let's take a look at English. So you'll go ahead and click on the pencil icon, and then it will have all of the English credits that you can take as a junior. One of the things that I do suggest, you can sort them alphabetically or you can sort them by number. So most of you will be taking English 11 or AP English Language and Composition. So when you go ahead and click your 2 courses, click OK, and you can see that they then show up here in your requests. Let's go ahead and go with math. So most of you will probably be choosing Algebra 2 or Algebra 2 Honors. So we're going to go ahead and click on the Algebra 2. And then remember to click OK. So I click OK, and there's your Algebra 2. And then science. So I've taken biology, and this year I'm taking chemistry. So I think what I'd like to do is I would like to take physics. So I'm going to go ahead and look for my physics class. I'm not taking honors, so I'm just looking for the regular physics. There we go. Standard level physics, A and B. So again, you need those 2 classes. So I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. So then again, required classes, social studies. You need to take U.S. history or dual credit U.S. history or AP U.S. history. So those are the choices that you would take. So now I think I want to take dual credit. So I'm going to choose that. But I see that there's a PSAT or AccuPlacer to qualify. So I'll have to go to the program of studies and make sure I have the correct GPA and the correct test scores. So now I've taken 4 classes. I need 3 more. And I'm going to look at I'm going to go down to FACS, Family and Consumer Sciences, and I'm going to see what I need to take. I think I want to try early childhood education. So let me see. If I go to principles of, yep, there we are, early childhood education A and B. So I'm taking another course. Okay. Now, I also think I really would be interested in taking a broadcasting course. Where are those electives? So let's just we'll go through, there we are, broadcasting, there's broadcasting. Now, when you take a look at, let's say you wanted to take illustration or animation, I notice that there's a course application link. So there you can go ahead and click on the course application link and apply for the course, because some of the courses are application only. Remember, our PE and our health electives are right there. So you need to make sure that you have met the prerequisites before you take them. And then as well, you are also going to choose 2 alternates. You're going to select 2. So let's just say that I want to take Intro to 3D and Intro to 2D. So I'll go ahead and choose those. So then as I go down to the bottom, it's going to tell me that we're going to go through all the Area 31. I've requested 10 credit hours. Now I need to request 14. So I'm going to go back up, and I think I'm going to choose another art elective. So I did Intro to 2D and Intro to 3D. But then I also need to do, I want to take psychology. I want to take ethnic studies and psychology, which are both social studies. So I'm going to click OK. And then when I go down to the bottom, it should say that I'm at 14. Yep, I'm requesting 14 credit hours. And then when you're done, you're going to click submit and you'll be completed and all of your courses are in there. If you need to make any changes after you submit, you can go to your class registration icon for adjustments. Good luck.